Welcome to our video tutorial on how to access the ebook edition of Novels for Students in Gale Virtual Reference Library. To access our ebooks, Novels for Students, volumes 1 through 37, begin by going to our Media Center homepage, the Hooch Learning Studio. You can access this at hoochlearningstudio.wordpress.com. You can go to the link for Mac and VIA, which is our portal to all of our databases and ebooks, under Library Resources. Click on Mac and VIA, and then make sure you select Chattahoochee High and log in with your Windows user ID and password. Once you log in, please go to the menu on the left and select Groups. You will then see the group for Novels for Students 1 through 37. Now open the collection that is housed within Gale Virtual Reference Library. There are two ways that you can access the book. One is to see if there is an entry in volumes 1 through 37 for your novel. So for example, if you are studying Tar Baby by Toni Morrison, you can type in the novel, and you can make sure that you select novel and then search. And as long as you see that it is in the ebook Novels for Students, then you know you're on the right track. So I'm going to select Tar Baby, and then you can browse the entry using the menu here at the top of the page. We have an author biography, a plot summary, characters, themes, topics for additional study, style or literary devices, and then a historical context discussion for the novel. You also get a comparison contrast to other works, a critical overview, excerpts of literary criticism, suggested reading, and then a bibliography. To go to any section at any time, you can click on the hyperlink, and then you can scroll and read about that aspect of the novel. You can also just scroll back up to the top to return to the menu. If you would like to email the link to yourself, download it, print it, or do any highlighting, you have your toolbar here on the left that is common to all of our Gale resources. There's also a listen-friendly option. You can also view the article as a PDF, or you can also pull up the table of contents for that book if you would like to see what other novels contain a literary analysis in this particular volume. Remember that we do have 37 volumes. This is simply one of the 37. So please be aware that there are many works that you can find the literary analysis for. Remember that all of our Gale resources, like Novels for Students, can also be easily cited using EasyBib. Just make sure that your project bibliography is open, and then remember that to cite any entry from Novels for Students, you'll just go to the toolbar, select Citation Tools, and then select EasyBib. And then you'll see your entry added automatically to your list. The other way that you can access all 37 volumes is to go to the menu at the top and click on More, and then select Title List. We can then see an alphabetical listing of all of the ebooks that we have in our Gale Virtual Reference Library, and then you can go and choose a volume to learn more about. And again, you can click on the table of contents here, and you can see by clicking on the table of contents what works are in that particular volume. You can also go to the book index to see the works that are referenced in a particular volume as well. That's just a quick introduction to Novels for Students, your one-stop shopping resource for novel study, or a great addition and resource to your literary research on a particular novel. If you need assistance, please come by the Media Center or email Ms. Hamilton. Thank you.